Ja, toch. We are live. Yo, 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 yo. Let's change things a little bit. This one. Yo, 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 welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I'm trying to fix my setup a little bit. Discord. I'll take this one. Yes, sir. Okay, we are back. Trading market open, New York market open. Welcome. Oh. Breaking everything here. Okay. Yo, yo, yo. Everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see if I can get my other stuff as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am live, right? Like, is it open? It's open, right? Public, yeah, okay. It is public, was what I meant. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, okay. So we are live. We are live, we are live. On again. Is it better now? Way better. Okay, nice. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Money. Hey. So let's spin this. Welcome. It's time to trade New York Open. Let's see if my friend's gonna join. Yo. Hola. let's take... Yo, Metis. What are you looking at for market open? You're just waiting for market open, or? Matt is in the building. 4 hour. You're looking at the 4 hour. This one. 9:16. Yeah, that's funny. Again, I'm at the same, on the same level as you, but I'm not even looking at the 4 hour, or I didn't even really look at the 4 hour. That's insane. 9:16. Oh, a little bit lower. Okay, so you were literally on the 4 hour body. Yo, Troon. Yo, welcome, man. Let's say marked open. We have been making a little bit of money yesterday. I made a little bit of money yesterday. After I closed the stream, I still got my entry, and I got one trade. So we took home 1k yesterday. That's nice. That's nice. So let's grow this portfolio, right? I'm more looking at the wick of the 1 hour in combination with the it is officially a 1 minute backside. So, and then looking at how everything ladders in here on a lower time frame, I'm looking at this 1 hour wick, basically at the 1 minute backside. But looking at this aggression, I don't know if it's gonna hold. And I know it can test something a little bit lower, so let's say 17, or you were saying 16 even, is possible. I've been thinking about it, but I don't wanna, like, just wanna take the backside and be in without missing a trade or whatever. So all my profits are 250 today. It's kind of quite some volatility. Marked open. Marking news. Let's look it. Let's take a look. Let's see. Hopefully you're gonna have a big pool and play it to the like daily range or something like that. At least gonna try to break the daily range, but we didn't break the 4 hour yesterday, so I'm still expecting it to go to the daily but not break it. So I'm gonna take any trade to the daily up here, and it's nicely with the range, right? So if the range over here, and then you take some levels or one of the 2 levels, you move up and you create your new like higher high from this new lower higher low. So it's also very nice. How are you doing, Tarun? You got some like, did you make some thumbnails for people already? For streamers. So I'm sacrificing my win rate basically and taking smaller positions, or like taking 3 separate positions with a smaller stop loss. So when I'm in a trade, I'm quite accurate and I can be break even. I'm sacrificing a little bit of my win rate for that, but it's just how I trade or like to trade. It's just 3 positions, quite a tight stop loss, taking knife catches and then breaking them even. So you got some first polarity over here, but this is our the point we're looking at, right? Gonna ask Antoine if he works from home today, so maybe he can join. So let's see, maybe Sven. Okay, there are a few people coming soon. Yo, Antoine. You're still, or like you're waiting for your meeting, or you are in a meeting. Done. Nice, nice. So you can go home now. Okay, nice, nice. And now staying to work or for work? Have to stay to 5 o'clock. Have to stay till 5. Okay. But are you so you're working from home tomorrow then? Time to get the mate 100%, bro. Time to get really good at trading and buy the GT3 RS, right? Make a lot of money. Tomorrow and also Friday. Nice. So you've been working from home yesterday as well. I'm also working from home in case you didn't know. So quite some aggression to the upside still. Most of the time it's just like one straight line down and then a move up. Yesterday I was in the office, and the difference is you work for, so yeah, 100%, bro. I love it. I don't want anything, like I don't want anything else anymore. I got my payouts, by the way. My payouts got added to my bank account yesterday night, so it was quite nice. So we got money again. And now yesterday we made 1K actually. So I did, like last week was the pressure of streaming, right? So we took a loss of 1K for the week, and yesterday got some nice, yeah, big spending now, bro. For you, buy a car, you know, instead of the bike. Maybe I'm gonna buy a bike as well, you know. It's a Dutch bike, I mean. Yo, geld heb je. You're also joining us. Enjoying the market open, the volatility of market open. It's gonna take a few months, guys, and then we're millionaires. Let's get the bike matrix, for real. Yeah. It's a dream, right? Like the first dream, first goal. Do you have a dream car, Mattis? Like we're always talking about GT3 RS and BMW M3 Comp, but I never heard you talk about the car. Maybe it's Mercedes. I don't know. Where's the bivouac? Yeah, it's still in my closet. Not today. It's an inside joke. Bivouac will be my thing, don't worry. No, all good. And you're gonna join my stream as anonymous. You keep it with the face, for real. Didn't expect this though. The retest on the top of the polarity and then move up. How much power did you get? It was it's crazy, right? But too many dream cars. Depends on the weather. Sometimes 911 turbos, sometimes Lexus LFA. Bro, the sound of the Lexus LFA is legendary, bro. It's like the 10 cylinder. Sometimes X7 comp or something like that. Yeah, man. It's crazy. The X7? Is it, you mean, hold on, X7? I believe it's X5 comp or not. Oh, like an even bigger. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, it is a clean car though. It's I like it. I like X5 a little bit more though. I think it's a little more sporty. I took a, hold on, I'm gonna go over the payouts. Payouts and like this. Okay, so look, I took a I requested a 3k and a 4k. Okay, now this gets crazy. I requested a 3k and a 4.1k payout, so I get 3670 and 2725, and then you have to calculate, this is dollars, so dollar to euro, that's like almost 1/3 that's gone. So I got 5,400 in my bank account, and then you gotta pay like 40% tax probably. So I think you were left with like a little bit more than 3k in euros. And maybe a little bit more, depends on how much you earn over the year. So yeah, so it is like, I think I had like 3.3k, around 3.3k on my private bank account. So that's how much left. But yeah, it's some money, right? It's you need to grind for 5k payouts on 5 accounts. Yeah, it's 25k, and that's the goal. So let's see. So I only made 80 euros today, bro. If you work, like but I'm working. So yeah, you mean from trading? Like if you made 80 euros a day, that's, I reckon on Topstep. Nice. You also joined the. It's still, Topstep is a little broken though. Sometimes sometimes it's just it's bugged and it takes out your trades, or you lose your account because of it. It's some serious stuff. So you gotta consider if you wanna trade on Topstep or not, because if I knew this, I probably would have took another. Oh, hold on, Mattis is calling me. Yo.
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 Kijk, nou, ik dacht toen even Discord. Hey, is die maat van jou, is die drone shot?
Ze kunnen je horen op stream ook. Maar ja.
Oh ja, lach man.
Maar is die wat? Sorry.
Is dat een maat van jou?
Ja, ja.
En doet hij ook traden via Cotton?
Niet via Cotton.
Oh, hij heeft eigen strategie.
Ja.
Oh, juist. Maar hij doet nog niet fulltime of zo?
Antoine, you're not trading full-time yet, right? That's the goal.
Ah, okay, yeah. Yes.
Okay, no, not yet. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
but oh yeah, but why is he not trading cotton? Yeah, that's the goal, I see.
we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna meet with him on Saturday, so then we're gonna talk about it probably. But
is he also from around here?
Yeah, from Capelle.
Otherwise, he can also. Oh, okay. Yeah. Otherwise, you can also get my number if you want.
Oh yeah, sure. If Antoine, if you want Matthijs' number, he's trading from cotton. So the guy I'm learning from for a longer time. I think Sergio Brian is better than mine. I don't know, man. But it's just I'll text. Okay, I'll send him your number.
Ja, Capelle met een K geldaapje. Ja. Niet met een C. Met een K, dat is in Zeeland.
Dat is een Capelle in Zeeland.
Ja. Oké, ja, soort. Hey, succes.
Oh, thanks. Ja, je mag ook blijven worden, het is net aan jou.
Oh ja, kan ook. Prima.
Dat is allemaal wat je zo wil.
Cool.
Moet ik wel
ik ben eigenlijk benieuwd of deze... Ja. Oh ja, goed. Ja, let's see if this backside range can hold.
I don't know.
Right now it's holding some inside.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to hold this though.
No, it's... But I think there's a lot of strength in the market because I don't know if you saw about CPI, the news today.
No, a lot of strength to the upside. You mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if I can.
Oh, this was the news this morning, or like at 14:30. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't.
So.
Do you look at news as well as like an indication of your direction of trading for the day?
No, not really. It's more for my investments. I sometimes take a look at it, and then, yeah, of course, you get kind of a bias, so you know because of this. The market, can go a bit higher, and there will be some more money coming into the market, but I don't think it will, especially on the lower time frames, not influence the market as much. But sometimes you will see stronger levels holding than the more stronger levels than the greedier levels. So that's the only thing and the only reason. I will keep it in the back of my mind.
Yeah. What do you use for like looking at news for? Do you have a platform you're looking at?
Financialjuice.com. That's some kind of almost like a chat, and it spams just all the important news into that.
Okay.
And of course, like Forex. What
Factory.
is it? Forex Factory.
Yeah, I use it as well. Sometimes, not every single day. But it's still possible, like to hit our levels and then move up still.
Yeah, because it's this is like the strong part of the whole range.
Yeah.
And inside of that you have also still like the first trade we're taking, like the 915 is also still a pretty strong part, because lower than that you also have around 900, you have the 5 minute, and you can even like break that range and go into like 878 or something like that. So and I think that's my 3 trades I have for the day right now, and I think you have the same trade, so that's
you also
nice,
have 3. You also have 3 entries on the same like areas.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yes. Yeah, it's sometimes a few dollars difference because
Yeah.
you have, for example, the 1 hour body, I think,
The
marked
wick.
at 901. Yeah, and you had the wick, and you, I think, you also
I'm
had
not
for the body, or
not on the body. I'm like in the body on a deeper time frame, like on
oh, okay.
like a 1 minute wick. That's lettering from down here. So you basically let it backside and then forwards in time. I think this is some chance to hold because it's also the 3 minute wick and the 5 minute
Oh yeah,
wick.
yeah, I see. Yeah,
And then
yeah.
it's also like the fill of a 5 minute gap. I don't really trade gaps, but also what I like to look at is start of the move, and you can clearly see on the 50-minute long wick down here. So like over here, and you have some start of a big move and a lot of volatility in that place. And then
Oh,
throughout
I
you
see.
can see all volatility around this area, basically, like throughout the whole market. So over here as well, you can see it over here, you see.
Yeah.
So over here it's just all polarized points,
Very big
basically.
volume.
Yeah.
Close in exit. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I was for the 15 is because on top we had the 15 inside of a 4 hour origin. If you know what I mean. So that's a 50-minute level.
Yeah, I was.
And so that's why I think the 15 is nice. And yeah, of course the 5 is just a -1 of that.
Yeah.
And let's see, the 5 below that, 878 is also in combo with the 4 hour rejection as a target.
You're going
So,
for
yeah,
the
that's
5 minute level, like the 25,900.
25,900, yes,
Yeah,
that's
okay. It's also a nice round number, right? So
Yeah.
so maybe I'm getting front run on this, but on this one I'm a little bit higher. Like on the, I'm on 919, and you're on 916. You said.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
I
first,
took a trade yesterday, still on the 3 minute polarity, or the 1 minute polarity, or the 50-minute. It was like all different kinds of levels.
yeah,
in
the
here.
one we were talking about.
Yeah. Yeah, geld up. It was the like this one. That's why I want to show you like this, because we were talking, but it was at 2:30, and then this is another news event. Like I'm not really into news. So what is the CPI? Like, are just.
You mean the CPI index?
Yeah.
That's like something for what a customer. I think it's customer price index.
Okay.
And yeah, it means something like what a customer can spend.
Okay. So
something like that.
Like how much money there is in people's private accounts, basically.
Yeah.
Or that they want to spend more.
Yeah, I don't know how you exactly say it in English, but it's koopkracht, zeg maar.
Yeah, okay. So buying power, basically. So
yeah, buying power. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay, but isn't that higher because of Christmas and stuff like that? Like people have bought a lot last month. Like so they.
Yeah, I don't know how they measure it.
Or
so
is it?
I don't know how they measure it.
Okay.
But when it's like lower, I thought the stock market would go higher because more people think that there will be more money flowing in the stock market or something like that, because more people need more. Or yeah, it's I don't know exactly how everything works, but it has to do with inflation and stuff like that.
Okay.
Because the purchasing power is lower, and then there will be flowing more money into the stock market because people want to keep the same purchasing power, something like that.
Yeah, okay. Interesting. It's very common now that people just full port their accounts on CPI, like max contracts, sell and buy. It works, but I'm not risking it. the only thing that I know about
No, yeah,
CPISD.
it's a totally different strategy, so yeah.
Yeah. I think consistency is the most important thing, right?
Yeah, for real. Let's see, it's hitting right now some 1 minute
15
origin,
seconds.
it seems like.
No, 15-second reverse.
Like, no.
I believe, for what I saw.
15. Oh, goeie. And what did we hit on top? On top we hit some 1 minute break or something like that. No 1 minute break. A 30-second break, it seems like.
Looks like a 30-second break, eh?
30 to 15, so the 5-second must hold now. It's holding now.
You've hit a 5-second break. Yeah. You think? Or like, why do you use 30 seconds? Like
yesterday, I don't know, because
yesterday we had
I saw it.
Level, but
yeah, I saw it being used like the most amount of levels when I went into deeper time frames were hit exactly to the 30 seconds. So I thought, okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna use that.
That's interesting because
Not
you like
I don't have any data on it, but
like when you look at the time frames we are using, the 4 hour, 1 hour 15, you don't use 30 minutes at all before
5, 3, 1, yeah.
So that's why I went with the 15 and 5, because you go from 3, 1, 15, 5, same.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah, it's.
But like there are some situations where you also hit other time frames that we are not using, right?
Yeah, the 12 hour is sometimes in play, I know.
But we don't have it on.
Yeah, but it's only in a certain. Yeah, he explained it in one video, but it's only in a certain state or something like that.
Okay.
I don't know really when it's active and when not.
Yeah, I think we still can hit some level down here. If this was the bottom, I think we would have moved up already. Like over this high.
Yeah.
So we still need to
break the high. So.
Yeah, we still need to get something down here to break the high. Yeah, or it would be so bullish and so strong that it starts a ladder off of this polarity, but that would be a little bit.
Yeah, we still have
crazy.
A trend, a 1 minute trend, a range trend that it can test and still
and you know,
move down
news always work in the favor of the bigger institutions. So it's possible that news helps us to move down a little bit and then push the market up. But I don't know how much impact this has. I don't really trade news, but US home sales. I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. Be right back.
Yes.
minutes news. Yo, you're back. Yo, man. We're still waiting for an entry on some level.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Saai. Stop met doen.
Can be so boring to wait. How are the market conditions today? A little bit boring, to be honest. Like not too much volatility, but we had one big move earlier today, but I wasn't trading, and now it seems like you're a little bit dead, or it's still gonna.
Order filled.
Okay, that's first order.
Let's go.
You're filled as well, right?
Order filled.
Okay.
Ah, and I'm filled.
That's a quick trade. Oh. Am I
That was
front?
the next one.
I'm front rent on the tick. No way.
Let's see.
I'm literally on the tick, bro. Next one. This next candle has to like hit it and then pull up. There's no way. She caught it on the tick, but then, wow. You still can, right? Because we didn't hit this yet, and we didn't close
Order
on the
filled.
one. Okay, nice. It's also looking at this level down here, so it's also possible to be the 1 minute, or even lower, like the one reverse.
My stop below the low right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same because we pulled orders out. So 120
Yeah.
stop. Let's see where we can take it to. I think, like, still I think we're gonna break through the 4-hour polarity. So I kind of still want to take it to the daily origin, or something inside of the, like we've hit the 50-minute on top. Something like the 5 that's next, but that's basically in the daily origin, so I can just take to the daily origin. And now we want to gain.
Where's the daily origin? Ah, that one. Yeah, okay.
So let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, I have it a little tiny bit lower than that.
Yeah, I put it at
Okay.
86.25. Or I'm gonna take it to the high we created, but I think we still can break through the highs though.
Yeah, I have it right now at I'm now at 950. Yeah, okay, right now we're breaking the polarity. So then I'll think this won't hold as well.
Where we are right now? Won't hold, you mean? I'm gonna be break even, I think. I don't wanna come back down here. Like this just did.
Yeah, no, me neither.
Like if you look at 5 minutes, from this you just wanna pull up, right? You don't wanna come back down past the wick, then you're just gonna be stopped out, basically.
Yeah, exactly, okay.
So I'm gonna put it below the 1 minute bodies, like you're not gonna get back here to hit something again, right? It's possible, but let's take 60. I had it a lot that you came down, like hit some small ladder point and then move up. So I'm kind of scared now to put my stop a little bit higher. But yeah, I just kind of don't want to be too greedy. So as long as we don't, not even hitting a like 15-minute break, we could, right?
I'm gonna even unchecken. Ja, oké, dan gaan we eroverheen. Let's see, then we can now, if we break this ladder, next thing we should attack is trend. Over 30 to 1. Okay, we have a 1 to gain.
SL and front trend seems perfect, yeah. That's the life of a trader, man.
Ah, okay. This is also leathery. Tiny box.
Tiny box. What are you looking at in the like the lower area that the last entry I have? You said you had an entry over there as well, right? Somewhere.
878.
878. Oh, a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, makes sense because you hit a 15 backside, right?
I don't expect this to
hold.
Okay, what did we exactly hit? We hit some 15 seconds. So we should hold this 15 second about above the 4 hour. Is there a 5 inside of that? Okay, yeah, there's a 5 in front of that even. That's right now holding.
So 15, 1 hour.
Okay, this is the 5 again. Okay. This is the 15. Right now we should be moving up, otherwise this was gonna be break even. Okay, and that's it. what are we heading right now?
There's some polarity, I think, from the first valley.
I like that we're pretty easily gaining the 15 and the 4 hour. So
You're hitting the first valley of this range again. Like the polarization.
okay, we have a 1 minute that we could gain to go lower, and it's right now rejecting it. That's nice. Nah, that's it.
Okay, it's gone.
Yeah. Okay, that's the last 30. Hoppa.
Oh, you mean the last 30-second hold?
Yeah.
So you need to gain from now, right? I'm just gonna take a little bit more. And if you go lower, we're getting a more efficient entry, right?
Yeah, that.
So, more profits.
Die andere SL was wel heel snel.
Ja, dat was echt snel, jongen. Yeah, it's over, I think. Would be crazy if you gained the 1 minute though. Like now you rejected it. Still possible, right? To gain it after. To reject this first and then.
Yeah, but I'm not expecting it. But it's always possible.
I'm hoping it because I'm hoping it because the news kind of brought us down, that you then try to regain and stabilize up.
Mm.
So it's still possible, but it's not guaranteed this is the bottom, right?
Order
No, but-
fulfilled.
Yeah. I think a 5 minute makes sense though, but and now it's gonna move up.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I had like a few days ago. Took an entry.
I had it a lot. That's why I don't immediately anymore put my stop loss at break even, because I used to do it really fast, but right now, as you saw, I just put it initially below the low of the move, because otherwise I get rigged a lot.
Okay, I've had it once, but that was just because I put my stop in like $15 of profit and it hit the stop loss on the tick. But usually I take like the lowest point, I put my stop break even, so on $5 or something like that, and then I'm good. But now, yeah. But yeah, it is what it is. I think this can still hold though. How do you look at the 5 minute at 25.868? Like, do you see it as tested or not? Because you held the wick like multiple times.
Yeah, 860. Yeah, then I'm gonna, I consider it tested. Then I would go for 8555.
Yeah.
As the final hold in the move.
That's how I look. That's how I was looking at it as well. But sometimes the Nasdaq just wants to go really close to the hourly break, and then move up. So you get something like that. That's basically tested, but then you can test it again. Somehow. It's another trade, I think, right?
You win?
No, not yet.
Ah.
Taking the same level just makes a little bit more sense. But it's also possible it still hits like the 15 backside again. I think.
15 backside.
Like to create an origin, basically.
Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. See, that's,
Order
Oh,
filled.
tering.
that was not what I was expecting. And now holding the 5 minute again. It's possible, I think. Sounds crazy, but it's...
Oh, wat een dag.
Yeah, crazy day. Like, look, you're gonna ladder from this point. Yeah, I was thinking about this, but it's just... You stay above the 1 hour break. That's what I saw a lot on Nasdaq. You take like the greediest point, and then you still move long as long as you stay above the break. The thing is,
Let's see.
like 1 minute reverse.
Yeah, it's also tested already on the body. Like,
yeah, but you have to, like the 1 minute is basically you can use it as a reverse level, even if you have the body and the 1 minute. 25.864.
64.
It's possible you're gonna break down, but from my experience, Nasdaq just likes to creep up to the 1 hour break level a lot, and then stop on some 1 minute level and then move up in a big way. That's what you just see a lot. Like, and now you can still take the 5 minute over here. basically.
Order
So
filled.
that's what I'm gonna do.
The one we just took,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
mean?
So or you're gonna move straight to, or you're gonna like test back the polarity you want to take, and you're gonna still move up. But it's kind of you kind of like hit it as a second wick.
Even kijken.
But you have like, I think the aggression down is quite low now though. But as long as I'm not really hitting the 1 hour itself, and you hit a 1 minute reverse and you can gain from that, then okay, that's my stop, I think.
Order filled.
Okay. And now we're gonna look for the polarity short.
Cool.
This day, man.
Meen je niet? Right now I'm wicked. Guess. Oh,
Whoa.
jongens.
Oh, what did you take?
Dit is niet goed voor mijn hart.
Dit is niet goed voor mijn hart. You also took a trade, or?
Ja.
Okay. Yeah, now we broke the 1 hour, so now it's just testing back some polarity and then we're gone.
Wow, jongens, wat zijn we aan het doen vandaag, man?
Ja, vandaag is niet best. Gold is also crashing. SL1 front run seems perfect. Gold is also crashing. Laatst was een beetje zo. Ja, man. But sometimes you have it. I've seen this a lot where you just hit some sort of reverse before the 1 hour. You move over, you test your polarity you wanted to take, but then like after you went through and pulled above it, you hit it again and you move up. So that's why I want to take this level still.
Ik denk dat ik hem even afsluit voor vandaag, jongens.
Ja?
Ja, man.
I wanna take...
Anders, even kijken wat nu met los is. Break even.
Yeah, I've one more trade to take, but I wanna take a polarity short since we broke the bottom. But,
deze even...
I think it's quite difficult with the momentum.
480, 700.
So let's see if we have the 1 hour. So you have 15, 5. I'm thinking about this polarity.
I can take one more trade.
I can also take one more trade and then it's over. So this is exactly what I was looking at. I think this is the polarity I'm gonna take a short on. Like the 1 minute level we held on the bottom to take long. I think this is a little high, the 15 minute. And if you look at it like from hourly down to 1, we've hit the hourly break. You go from hourly to 15. Untested 15, so this one is test, so 15. 15 to 5. You're over here, and then 15 to 3 over here, and then the 1 hour exactly matches the or the 1 minute exactly matches the polarity, because this one is tested, so you're up here, and that's exactly the polarity we tested our low one to move up. So if this can't hold, my expectation is to move up here and then move down, but can be wrong. That's the same with this is basically the same as a like when you have a range, something like this. I think something that's tested a few times. Okay, that's gonna be some 3 minutes. So let's see. You have the wick right here of the 3 minutes. You have like your lowest price to. Oh yeah, that's okay.
I'm also taking a look at my next short. Oh, it's also already going there.
Yeah. Wow, it's aggression to the downside today. That's crazy.
Ja, maat.
This is abnormal. But normally, you also when you break through your level, you can have like at least one trade that like moves you down. But now you
This
just
like
don't.
moves a bit, yeah. This was all.
So you can, yeah. So you can take your loss, like you can take a break
You
even
can
more a little bit of
break
money.
even,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now it's just losing day. I still have my confidence in this. It's so possible. Yeah, or you're gonna scalp like the 15 seconds. That's something what I do sometimes. When you really move down in a quick way, I'm gonna scalp the 5 and the 15 seconds until I'm at my next support. Yeah, and actually it makes some good money, but you also gotta be a little bit patient. Like you cannot jump into every single trade. No, oh ja. Trade die gozer op Discord ook fulltime. Oh. Je bent die gozer op Discord, man. No,
Gozer op Discord.
No, you're.
Nee, man.
He's in the army and he trades on the side. So.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, the 5 is exactly holding right now. The 5 is still in play.
Well, not the day we were expecting. Met soldaat, yeah. Literally.
Ja, man.
Gonna turn on my light real quick, hold on. Edit. Our soldier.
Oudste. Die ik ken.
When it doesn't have momentum, I don't want to, but yeah.
15 seconds.
It's laddering 30 seconds, yeah. Crazy.
Ja.
Wow.
Dan gaan we. Oké, dan gaan we nu weer naar de backsides.
Okay.
This is a 5-minute backside.
Groot soldaat.
Going low.
Okay, so let's just jump in a 10 lot market order.
Yeah, already done.
Volgende. I can send your like the phone number to Antoine.
No.
It's also possible. Like everyone has met his Discord now.
Bro, the 3-minute is in play, man. Every time the 3-minute break, 3-minute backside, what are we doing, man?
I still think you can come back up for this and then continue your move short since you broke this completely range. But
Okay, 3. What's 3? This 3 rejection is target. That's on the daily. Okay, that's an interesting. So, what's that? Come on, man.
daily
5 seconds.
4 hour doesn't want to load again.
This is the 3. This is the 30. Is the backside already hit? 15 already hit. 5 is not yet hit. Ja, dan kan ik dat doen. Maar
So unfortunate. I think. I hope we're not getting down here today. Like, maybe if I'm in trade short, but if you get down here today, I rather take some longs tomorrow in this range instead of. Moving short now, but not wanting to trade anymore.
new mod in the Discord.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
Ja man, Brian zit ook. Zo, Brian op zijn Engels, lekker man.
Yeah. Brian. So we're hitting the 1 hour again. Yeah.
Let's see, Brian. 1 hour. Yeah.
We're literally hitting a 5-second backside, a 15-second hold, wick, and gaining 1 minute from it.
Mm-hmm.
It's insane.
Cool, wat een dag vandaag.
Yeah, it's great.
I'm only trading on a new combine right now. My
Oh yeah,
other accounts are locked down for now.
and I'm not in lockdown.
So that's
yet.
just gambling, putting 15 contracts and hoping to lose multi profit.
Yeah. Jongens van het Zuiden, ik ga ervan tussen, spreek jullie succes. Okay, speak to you later man, see you. Maybe tomorrow.
Yo.
No, what is your daily loss limit? 700 or something like that. 600.
600
What's your daily
on
loss?
my Express.
Yeah, or you trade 2 lots.
No, I don't trade lots. I trade with position calculator, so it's every trade different.
Also
so
on
my
the Nasdaq.
daily loss limit is 1200 per account, so that's 2400 for the day.
Okay.
Because 1 R on my account is right now 500.
Okay. But how do you decide when your account's in lockdown, or you just put them in lockdown once you're?
Yeah, when I see, oh shit, not a great trading day, I just think, alright.
Let's see. Is the 1 hour close right? No. So when we hit this, if we hit this, then we really need to close the 1 hour below the break. Otherwise, it's just gonna be scalp as well. Or I'm just gonna let it run break even. Or we could have taken a 5-minute polarity. Look, hold on. Yeah, it's the 5. Look. If it stays with the 5 now it goes down, then it's a little sad because we missed this trade as well.
Okay, 5, which 5 you're talking about?
The 5-minute we took a long one. And we broke through after.
Yeah.
See,
yeah.
we're hitting it from the side. So, yeah.
I have 3 backside that we're hitting, and on the bottom I also have 3 backside, so it's possible.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get that it goes a little bit higher to the 1 minute polarity, like the 1 minute level I took as a long.
Oh yeah.
Just below your entry. So I'm hoping it goes for that and then moves short, because it's also like the greediest backside. But the momentum down is just so strong. Like,
yeah.
You can leave this as a like fair value gap, of course. Like, we don't really trade those, but you can leave it like that. So if we gain a 3 minute, we can actually trade continuation. It's gonna be the 1 minute backside. Or the 3 minutes, yeah. So hoping this rejection. Okay. Is it also when you have rejection as target, but you hit some, like let's say for now this is a 3 minute rejection as target, but you move up and you hit a 1 minute level, that the 1 minute can break the 3 minutes? Yeah? Okay. So,
yes.
So I'm thinking in the right way here. That's positive. If this holds, that's maybe what's gonna happen. So that's gonna make me very happy if it happens. Yeah, I cannot have too wide of a stop. That's the only problem. Like, I need to be accurate in this on this. Otherwise, I'm gonna have my daily loss as well. I'm gonna lock it for now, so cannot change it.
Yeah, man. Okay, erosion.
It's just a waiting game at this point.
Yeah.
And you have those days where you take like 1 or 2 trades and you're up like 4 or 5k, you're done for the day. And you have these days where you take 3, 4, 5 trades, all get stopped out in like one straight line.
Of the tip.
Are you gonna take that 3 minute short?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it, but then we need to gain it first, yeah.
May you need. May je niet.
What's up?
Word ik niet gefilled. Second time I didn't get filled. Fucking top stat.
What do you mean? You can get
I
filled now,
first I put it on a 15-second wick. It wicked it and then it went down on 3.750. Then I put it on 3.9 and it wicked it and I didn't get filled.
Welcome to top 7 sometimes.
Oh shit.
Okay, so let's hope for the continuation. I think we're gonna just take it to some sort of 15
What
polarity
could
of
be?
some sort. Like if you get filled though. Let's see if you have 1 hour.
Order filled.
Okay. So you can take it. Yeah, maybe it's gonna be a daily loss for the day. I hope I'm not getting stopped out on daily loss. And we're gonna take it to some sort of 1 hour. I'm thinking about taking it to the hourly wick in combination with the daily trend. But yeah. Don't you think the hourly is gonna test something up higher still? Because you want to test back your... Yeah, it is possible it goes straight through the polarity. But if you... move through like this, you're gonna test back the hourly polarity still, right? Or you think you're gonna move straight down?
I don't know exactly what you're talking about, so.
Okay, so I will show it on live stream if you can see it. Like you have the 1 hour backside, you broke it or you're breaking through with the body, and most of the times you wick one more time up to test something in here and then move short. Or let's say it's going to be this, for example. So you...
Could have smoked here. Okay.
What?
Let's go. Wat? Ja, ik zat even in een trade onder 3, maar betaalde nogal wat hoge fees voor een break-even exit.
I just want to see this move dump like crazy. If you see, or if you break through a backside with the full body, like you full body close it, then you want to test back the polarity, right, with the next wick, and then the move's gonna go down.
I'm gonna take a look what you...
To move down, man.
Yeah, I get what you mean. It's possible. It's possible. I don't know exactly. Like, yeah. How do I say it? It could be an entry. You mean like what holds it up is what will move it down. That's I guess the...
I think so. I'm gonna get
Order
it.
filled.
I don't wanna... I don't wanna see this gain anything, bro. This is crazy. Yeah, see, I'm so close to daily loss. This is my last trade, and I hope it will be like accurate on the pip. But yeah. And now it moves down, isn't it? Oh no.
Fucking. Traden soms ook weer.
Echt verschrikkelijk, joh. This day. Let's see. Last week I missed so many chances, but it was, I think, really the pressure of performing in my first week of live streaming, and then this week we started off really nice. And then today is just such bad market conditions, like crazy. If it happens, like, that would be crazy. If you hit the 15-second as polarity, like you create literally 5-minute levels, 50-minute levels, and then you gain those from this 5-second backside, 15-second wick, and that you get back into the hourly range, and you close it above, and you start to gain up, a movement up. That would be crazy. I've never seen anything like that.
Wat rejecten we nu überhaupt, maat?
Ja, 5-second backside. 5-second backside, 15-second wick. Right? Yeah, that was what I was.
Okay, yeah.
That was what I was questioning. It's crazy. Like,
gebeurt er allemaal, maat?
Yeah, that's like, I've never seen this in my life. Now we're hitting it again. With a 15-second or a 5-second can hold the whole move up like this.
Isn't it rejection as a target on some time frame? No, what the fuck?
Like, isn't it just Top Step scamming us? Like, bro.
Yeah, maybe.
I took too many payouts, so now they wanna. Okay, that sounds really bad, but I mean, what Mattis is training too good, and now they don't want to let him take all the money.
They listen to our training plans, so they know I'm gonna smoke through those
exactly
levels.
Yeah.
Just like ICT had. He was streaming and all his stop losses were hit, and he said big money is scamming me and coming after my payouts or after my levels.
But what are we even hitting at this moment? There's like
a 15-second backside.
Yeah. Again. A 5-second backside. Even crazier. 15-second wick. This might be my weirdest trading day I've ever had. Like, not that I'm trading for so long, but it's just like, explain to me what we are hitting right now. It's, or isn't it some sort of trend? Aren't we hitting just some sort of trend? If you had so you have this to this. Yeah, maybe. Because we're very close to a daily trend, basically.
Ik stop voor vandaag, want ik ben heel mijn account aan het opblazen.
Jij probeert snelle scalpjes te pakken of zo?
Echt, iedere scalp heb ik gepakt tot nu toe, maar dan sta ik weer 6k in de plus en nu sta ik weer, wat sta ik? 2k in de min.
Hey, we hitten met de 4 candle de daily trend. Serieus. Like, bro.
What? De 4 uur trend?
Nee, daily trend 4 uur candle. Zeg maar,
From where?
je hebt eerst weekly. Dus je hebt weekly als legacy, zeg maar. En dan heb je daarvan af heb je een daily. Daily gewoon swing low to swing low. En dan pak je met de 4 uur en de 1 uur. Met de 4 uur raak je die trend. Met de 5 uur.
Ja, oké.
Dus, ja. Crazy.
Oké, jongens. This was my trading day. How to blow an account to one.
Yeah, well, it is what it is, I guess. I'm gonna wait for this entry still. I think this can be a pretty accurate entry and then move short still. But I only have like $60 left of drawdown, so I think I'm gonna get stopped out. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, or it's time for me to stop as well. I think I'm gonna stop for today as well.
Otherwise, the rest of the week isn't funny. Like I was trading during the April crashes previous year, and then you also had days like this. Like Monday, you could make like 10, 11k on one trade.
Yeah.
And the day after that, it was like 5, 6k in drawdown. So then I've learned. Cut your losing days, because especially when it's news, it's not gonna work well. So this is
5-6k drawdown days. Like my biggest losing day has been like 3k, something like that.
Yeah, right now I'm happy with a 6k winning day.
Yeah,
but
for
then
real.
Like everything was different, and there was so much volatility. Like it seems like every guy from Africa was trading. Like
if you
every level was hitting, and sometimes just days like this, like smoking every level.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And like the other interesting thing is, when this happens, Bitcoin is always skyrocketing. Like the market will go down, but Bitcoin will always be skyrocketing.
Is Bitcoin skyrocketing?
Yeah, I didn't take a look at it, but it's probably skyrocketing.
I didn't take a look at it. I didn't get a... Oh yeah, for real. Blue straight to... Oh wow, I didn't even know I had an entry. If I had an entry, I could have been break even and I wouldn't have been stopped out right now. Okay. It is what it is. It's unlucky. Okay.
Let's see.
Are you gonna trade Bitcoin tonight or?
No, I'm gonna go to the base this evening.
I'm gonna get filled on my last trade, and this will be like my last entry.
Yeah.
It's gonna be. I think I'm gonna get stopped out because I can only go $60 in drawdown, but I hope it will just be a accurate entry and then just a big move down. Sometimes crazy things happen, right?
So yeah, I want a short 93495 on Bitcoin, but this is something that I keep in mind. Like Bitcoin will probably be skyrocketing because of the news right now, so then I'm not gonna trade this.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get filled right now. It's gonna be daily loss, or it's gonna be maybe making back some money I lost. It's slowing down, so that's kind of positive, but you're hitting the backside right now, basically. This 1 minute can
order filled.
and then moving short, or hitting this wick. Yeah, see, hitting the wick, and now moving short.
Order filled.
Okay, yeah, and that's my daily loss. And now it's gonna move down from this. Yeah, and now it's gonna move down from this point, right? Yeah, or we're gonna test back the 15, but I thought it wasn't possible. But nah. What a day! Like, hey, I'm $7 in profit for the week. Let's go.
Let's see. I will take a look at my accounts, but I don't think that's the case on my new combine I just bought yesterday. Okay. On my combine. Where can I see it? Oh yeah. Let's scroll down here. Minus $1,200 for the week. My first express is plus 900. And my second one is minus 700. So
it is
in real, on the expresses I'm still in profits, but if I count my gambling training combine with it, then it's not that that good.
Yep. Okay, so it is what it is, I guess.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'll call it a day.
I'll call it a day as well. Maybe I will speak to you tomorrow. We'll see.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting a day like this at all. Like
news, man.
Yeah, well,
Let's see
sometimes
how
you have the
Bitcoin-
volatility of the news, and it's just it only helps you to get to your level and then have a big move. But yeah.
But on the other hand, you can now take a look at some stocks you want to buy for your
Exactly. So
investment portfolio. So you always have to take a look from the bright side.
that's true. So maybe
See.
losing and trading today will make it back tomorrow. And
Yeah.
investing, it gives new opportunities.
So that's it. And Bitcoin is skyrocketing right now. So
Yeah.
maybe your portfolio will be back in profits again, or still in profits.
Okay.
More man. Yes.
I'll speak to you later.
Yes.
And good luck on the base. I don't know if you will be there tomorrow.
I don't know.
No.
It's a busy week, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
I will be trading tomorrow, so
Yeah. I will join if I'll have the time.
okay.
See you.
See you, man. Have a good one. Okay, so that was it for the live stream. Thank you guys for watching. We hit daily drawdown or daily loss limit for the day. We are back at break even for the week, so we have 3 days left of trading, and we're gonna see. Speak to you guys later. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.